Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the 9-inch wireless CarPlay screen by ELJBELG. An all-in-one solution for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that promises to upgrade your driving experience. Right out of the box, this device impresses with its large 9-inch HD touchscreen. The display comes equipped with a built-in sunshade, which not only reduces glare but also ensures vibrant, clear visuals even under direct sunlight. Whether you're navigating through city streets, streaming your favorite music, or making hands-free calls, the screen is bright and responsive, giving you a premium feel in any car. One of the standout features of this receiver is its wireless connectivity. Forget about messy cables. Once paired via Bluetooth, your iPhone or Android device connects automatically every time you start driving. This makes accessing Apple CarPlay or Android Auto seamless, allowing you to stream music, get turn-by-turn navigation, and handle calls without ever plugging in a cable. Safety is another priority with this device. It comes with a 1080p waterproof backup camera, giving you a crystal-clear, wide-angle view behind your car. The camera works flawlessly both day and night, making parking and reversing safer and stress-free. Hands-free functionality is also built in, thanks to voice control support for Siri and Google Assistant. This allows you to make calls, send messages, or select your favorite tunes without ever taking your hands off the wheel. It's designed to keep your focus on the road while still giving you complete control over your media and navigation. Installation is incredibly easy with a plug-and-play design. The CarPlay screen draws power from your car's 12-volt port, requiring no wiring or tools, making it compatible with virtually any vehicle, from sedans to SUVs and even RVs. Flexible audio options, including Bluetooth, aux, and FM transmitter, ensure you can play sound through any stereo system, which is perfect if your car is older or doesn't support modern connectivity. Passengers aren't left out either. The screen supports AirPlay and Miracast mirroring, allowing your smartphone content to display on the device for movies, videos, or games, keeping everyone entertained without distracting the driver. The device also features a stable suction cup mount with an adjustable arm, letting you position the screen anywhere on your dashboard or windshield for optimal viewing. The build feels solid, and the mount keeps the screen secure even on bumpy roads. Overall, the 9-inch wireless CarPlay screen by ELJBELG combines convenience, safety, and entertainment into one sleek, easy-to-use package. Whether you want a smarter navigation experience, hands-free control, or just a more modern media interface in your car, this device delivers a complete upgrade without the hassle of complex installations or cables. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a versatile and modern CarPlay solution for your vehicle, this 9-inch wireless receiver is definitely worth checking out.